Here's a number for you, $3,400. That's what a CVT transmission replacement costs on one of the most popular used SUVs on the market right now. A vehicle you'll see recommended everywhere online. And that's before labor. If you're shopping for a used SUV under $15,000, that one mistake doesn't just hurt. It can cost you more than the car itself over the next 2 years. Today, I've run every major contender through our 100-point scoring system: fuel economy, value, reliability, practicality, and safety, so you can buy with confidence, not guesswork. We're counting down the 5 best used SUVs under $15,000 for 2026. And I'll tell you exactly which one you need to walk away from, no matter how cheap the sticker price looks. Let's get into it. Quick breakdown of how the scoring works, because this matters. Every SUV on this list gets scored across 5 categories. Fuel economy, 25 points. What does it actually cost to drive this thing? Value, 25 points. Are you getting what you paid for, or just what's left over on the lot? Reliability, 25 points. Will it still be running in 3 years without a major repair? Practicality, 15 points. Does it actually work for real life? Safety, 10 points. What does the crash test data say? 100 points total. Let's start the countdown. Coming in at number 5, the 2016 to 2018 Hyundai Tucson with a score of 77 out of 100. The Tucson earns its spot here for one reason: value. You can find clean examples right now in the $9,000 to $12,000 range, well under our $15,000 ceiling. That gets a 23 out of 25 on value. It's hard to argue with the math. Fuel economy scores a 17 out of 25. At 23 city and 30 highway on the base 4-cylinder, it's adequate. Not impressive, but not a deal breaker. Here's the thing: reliability is where the Tucson gives back points. A 18 out of 25. Consumer Reports gives it mixed marks for long-term ownership, and real-world owners report higher than average transmission and electrical issues on specific trim levels in this generation. Not a deal breaker, but it means you need to shop carefully. Any Tucson you're considering, get a pre-purchase inspection. Don't skip it. Practicality, 11 out of 15. At 31 cubic feet of cargo space, it's on the smaller side. Fine for a couple or a small family. Cramped if you're hauling gear regularly. Safety, 8 out of 10. IIHS top safety pick for most of this model range. Good, not great. Total, 77 out of 100. If budget is the priority and you shop carefully, the Tucson delivers. Just know what you're buying. Number 4, the 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester, scoring 79 out of 100. Here's what makes the Forester worth your attention at this price point. It's one of the only SUVs under $15,000 where all-wheel drive comes standard. Not as an upgrade, not as a package, standard. If you're in a snow state or anywhere that sees real weather, that has actual value. Fuel economy scores a 20 out of 25, 26 city, 32 highway, above average for an all-wheel drive vehicle in this price range. Value lands at 20 out of 25. You'll find Foresters in the $12,000 to $14,500 range. Not as cheap as the Tucson, but when you factor in that all-wheel drive comes standard, the value holds up. Reliability is one of the Forester's real strengths, 21 out of 25. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder in this generation is one of the most proven engines in the compact SUV segment. There's one thing you need to know though: any Subaru, any age, should get a head gasket inspection before you buy. It's not common in this generation, but the history exists, and it's worth spending $100 on an inspection rather than $1,500 to find out later. Practicality, 12 out of 15. 35.5 cubic feet of cargo, excellent driver visibility, and one of the most spacious front seat areas in its class. Safety, 9 out of 10. IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, one of the highest scores in this segment. Total, 79 out of 100. Best pick on this entire list if all-wheel drive is a real need for you, not a nice to have. Number 3, the 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V, scoring 82 out of 100. The CR-V keeps showing up on reliability lists, resale value charts, and best used SUV guides year after year. And the data actually backs that up. Fuel economy, 20 out of 25, 26 city, 33 highway on the 1.5-liter turbo, among the best in this segment. Reliability scores a 20 out of 25. Here's the thing, the 2017 CR-V's 1.5-liter turbo had a documented oil dilution issue in colder climates where unburned fuel was mixing with engine oil. Honda issued technical service bulletins. There's no formal recall. If you're in a cold climate and you're looking at a 2017, that's a risk you need to factor in. The fix? Buy 2018 or 2019. That one model year decision makes a meaningful difference in long-term reliability. That's exactly the kind of thing this scoring system is designed to surface.
Value, 20 out of 25. CR-V hold resale value extremely well, which is great if you own one, slightly frustrating when you're buying used. Expect to pay $12,000 to $14,500 for a clean example. Practicality, 13 out of 15. 39.2 cubic feet of cargo and Honda's Magic Seat system makes the interior genuinely clever. This vehicle feels bigger on the inside than it looks from the outside. Safety, 9 out of 10. IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus across this generation. Total, 82 out of 100. One of the safest picks on this list. Stick to 2018 or 2019 and you're buying a proven vehicle. Number 2. The 2016 to 2018 Mazda CX-5, scoring 83 out of 100. This is the most underrated used SUV under $15,000 right now. Most buyers walk right past it because the badge doesn't carry the same weight as Honda or Toyota. That's your advantage. Fuel economy, 19 out of 25. 26 city, 31 highway. Solid, but slightly behind the CR-V and Forester. Reliability, 23 out of 25. Consumer Reports has tracked the CX-5 as one of the most reliable compact SUVs over the past decade. Here's why that matters. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is simple, proven, and built to last. No turbo complexity, no CVT, just a powertrain that doesn't try to be clever and doesn't have the failure points that come with being clever. Value, 21 out of 25. You can find excellent condition CX-5s between $11,000 and $13,500. For the build quality and reliability you're getting, that's a real bargain. Practicality, 11 out of 15. This is where the CX-5 gives back a few points. At 31.4 cubic feet, the cargo area is noticeably smaller than the CR-V. The interior quality is exceptional, better than anything else on this list, but you're trading cargo space for that refinement. Know your priorities before you buy. Safety, 9 out of 10. IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for this generation. Total, 83 out of 100. If driving experience, interior quality, and long-term reliability matter more to you than maximum cargo space, the CX-5 is an easy call. And number 1, the 2016 to 2018 Toyota RAV4, scoring 85 out of 100. This is not a surprise, and it shouldn't be. The RAV4 earns the top spot the same way it always does, by doing everything well without a single major weakness in the data. Fuel economy, 19 out of 25, 23 city, 30 highway on the base 4-cylinder. Not class leading, but consistent. Reliability, 23 out of 25. Toyota's 2.5-liter engine in this generation is exceptional. Consumer Reports gives it above average marks across the board. This is a powertrain that routinely hits 200,000 miles with normal maintenance. That's not marketing, that's the ownership data. Value, 22 out of 25. RAV4s are the most popular compact SUVs on the used market, which means inventory is high. You'll find plenty of options in the $13,000 to $15,000 range. You'll pay a slight premium over the CX-5. The reliability data justifies it. Practicality, 12 out of 15. 37.6 cubic feet of cargo, a straightforward interior layout, and one of the most intuitive infotainment systems Toyota has built. It's not flashy, it just works. Safety, 9 out of 10. IIHS Top Safety Pick across this generation. Total, 85 out of 100. Here's the number that seals it. The average 5-year cost of ownership on a 2017 RAV4 runs roughly $2,400 below the national average for compact SUVs in this price range. That's not an opinion, that's the data. Best overall pick under $15,000. Full stop. Before we wrap up, one vehicle you need to know about that didn't make this list: the 2016 to 2018 Nissan Rogue. The Rogue is everywhere. It's affordable, it looks the part. But here's that number I mentioned at the top: $3,400 to $4,200. That's what a CVT transmission replacement costs on a Nissan Rogue. And Consumer Reports gives this generation well below average reliability marks specifically because of that CVT. You will see Rogues all over used car lots under $15,000. That price exists for a reason. If you want something in a similar space and price range, go back to number 4 on this list. The Forester gives you all-wheel drive, better long-term reliability, and no CVT risk. You'll thank yourself later. That's the full ranking. Quick recap. Number 5, Hyundai Tucson, 77 points. Best for pure budget buyers. Number 4, Subaru Forester, 79 points. Best for all-wheel drive buyers. Number 3, Honda CR-V, 82 points. Best all-around buy. Stick to 2018 or 2019. Number 2, Mazda CX-5, 83 points. Best value per dollar on this list. Number 1, Toyota RAV4, 85 points. Best overall. Drop a comment below. Which one are you driving, or which one are you considering? I'm pulling real-world ownership data from the comments for the next ranking. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. New rankings drop every Monday. I'll see you in the next one.